Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best massage guns of 2020. Whether you're working out at home or the gym, the best massage guns, also called percussive massagers, have quickly become popular tools for improving your musculoskeletal health. Similar to foam rollers, these handheld massagers can help your body recover from a workout by releasing tight muscles and even breaking up scar tissue. They can also be used before you work out to prepare your body for the stress to come, experts say. A massage gun works by pounding your muscles at a rate of up to 4,000 times per minute. The depth of the stroke and the amount of force it exerts determines how powerful the massage gun feels. More muscular people who like a hard massage should look for a massage gun with a higher stroke rate, more percussions per minute, and more force. If you're more sensitive, then a lighter-duty massager should easily get the job done. Massage guns are a must if you're an athlete, and they may be helpful to have around if you like to push yourself to achieve new fitness goals. For instance, they can help warm up your muscles before an early morning run or keep them from tightening up when you're finished. The use cases are many, yet they're all pointed toward the same thing: relief and recovery. Whether you're experiencing a pinch in your neck or need relief following a tough workout, watch the video to find the best massage guns that will help bring the spa to your home. 9. Theragun Pro. 60% quieter than previous Theragun massage guns, the Theragun Pro uses professional-grade tech for a quiet and supremely effective recovery experience. Two interchangeable batteries are quick to charge, while the massage gun's arm can be adjusted to 4 unique positions. A handy OLED screen on the massage gun gives you your battery level, and an in-app, responsive force meter helps you trigger sore points and muscle twinges across 5 different speeds. 8. Hyperice Hypervolt Bluetooth. A cleverly designed option for hardworking athletes, this is easy to use and quick to charge. There's also a gauge that shows you exactly how much battery life is left. It comes with 5 different nodules and has 3 different speeds. Best of all, it delivers on its claims of quiet. After some initial difficulty turning it on, there's a small switch on the bottom and a separate switch to get it going. The Hypervolt showed up strong. It was the standout performer in terms of noise, so could be used at home at all hours. The manual was less comprehensive than the rest, however. 7. Theragun Prime. This massage gun is considerably cheaper than its 2 senior models, and is a lot quieter than any other massage gun we've tried. In fact, it makes 70% less noise, making a similar sound output to an electric toothbrush. Off a single charge, you'll get 120 minutes of use, with benefits including natural stress relief, accelerated recovery and muscle repair, and a boost in blood and lymphatic flow. Wave goodbye to your DOMs. 6. Therabody Mini Massage Gun. The Theragun range is great, but wallet-friendly. Not until the Mini arrived this year. It doesn't link up to the app, and it's nowhere near as multifaceted or ergonomic as the company's pricier options, but it still packs a pleasant punch. The 3 power settings range up to 2,400 percussions per minute, it's surprisingly light and quiet, and it boasts a 150-minute battery life. A great starter model. 5. Theragun G3 Percussive Therapy Device. The G3 is Theragun's mid-range option. Though it can't make the same claims of performance and quietness as the Pro model used by Matt Fraser. It has 2 speeds and plenty of fittings, and it claims to help fix anything from back pain to sleep problems. It charges fully in an hour and provides pain relief to post-workout muscles almost immediately. It was easy to work into a training regimen but was very loud, a problem if you want to use it at home at night. The comprehensive, app-based guide also sets all Theraguns apart from their rivals. 4. Power Plate Pulse. Power Plate has previous when it comes to wobbly, vibration-orientated sports tech. The company created a series of muscle-activating balance boards, and now they've made the obvious transition to massage guns. This one is ultra-portable and can be charged for up to 5 hours of power, making it perfect for gym trips. 3. TimTam Deep Tissue Massage Gun. Show sore muscles who's boss with the TimTam gun. Created by MMA legend George St. Pierre, CrossFit and mobility coach Kelly Starrett, and track and field athlete Dominique Blake, the device inflicts up to 2,500 strokes per minute on unsuspecting muscles. 2. Hyperice Hypervolt Plus. Built for professional athletes, this update to the already excellent Hypervolt ups the intensity by 30%, which Hyperice claims makes it the most powerful massage gun in the world. It also connects to Bluetooth for smart sessions, which will adjust the speed and power to suit different muscles as you move the percussion head around your body. It comes with 5 heads, offers a 4-hour runtime and is quieter than you'd expect from something that will make your teeth shake. 1. Opove M3 Pro. The Opove M3 Pro comes in a variety of colors and versions to match your style. In addition to the camouflage model here, the device also comes in black, silver, and a muted camo. Opove says the M3 Pro is designed for quiet use and has been crafted to make far less noise than most other options. And with its rechargeable battery in tow, you can count on it to deliver 3 hours of usage on a single charge. Keep in mind that with 4 interchangeable heads, you'll have fewer massage options with the Opove M3 Pro than some other choices.